Next thing I would like to do is change the name. When the ISO is written, it's called Carli dash and then a version number. And when I forget to change it, it's always overwritten. And that's not nice, and it's actually fun. If you see Carli out, these are all the Carli outs I've ever created, 5, and so the month is May, month of June, month of July, and so on, August, December, September, October, they're all there, right? So, but if I forget, and that's the if I forget, then I've overwritten the ISO. So ALCI, another project, alci.online, creates also ISOs. And in here, I have another way of doing things. In here, I say, use the date somewhere. So I have to figure out where is the date. How did I do it there? The first time. Only in the 40, who knows? I'm just not seeing it. Why am I not seeing it? ALCI ISO, yes. ALCI def. Get all gets installation scripts. Arch ISO. Here it is. In the profile def, I've changed it to Arch and then a date. That's what I did here. Okay. So this is open. Let's keep this open. Let's go back to Carli 11. We should make something in here. Carli 11, so a quicker at the very last one. Voila. Carli 11. And the Arch ISO, the file that I have, I'll open it with something else, with code. And the other one, ALCI. So Carli, name is Carli. I'm gonna keep it Carli, of course. But Carli and then the number can become this. So it will become a date. Okay. And then ISO version is also a date. Control C. ISO version. ISO label, ISO version. Arch ISO. Pacman.conf, squash fs. You can choose other options. I've been playing with that as well in the past, but just let's keep everything as is. And that's it, I think. I just need to change some scripts again, well, some text about the date. So if we have that, date, looks like that's good. Close all files. Yes, this needs to be saved. Control S, saved. All right. Now the Arch ISO versions, change all versions at once. That needs to go because that's just gonna change the number was easy. Okay, it worked fine. And it's gonna go to profile. And device rel. We have to think about the dev rel. Control C. So this one, it becomes the date. And then pt dev rel. It's in the 40 and the 30. In the 40 and the 30, I'm gonna go for dev rel. Control find dev rel. Adding time to dev rel. That sounds not too bad. That's cool. So I'm gonna check when is it built, the day, that's the date built, and then add it to ISO build on. Don't think that's an issue. All right, quick check. I'm not gonna build it all the way, but quick check, see what happens. So we have a mistake already. Control C. What did we change? So building the version, that's the Carli version. Find, forget about that, forget about that, forget about that. ISO label, forget about that. Save. Okay. So building the desktop, that's for later. XFC maybe. That's the build. All what I see is correct. I'm gonna download some stuff. Yeah, I guess we need to let it build. The video is not that long, 8 minutes, and see what the output is if we forgot something. In the meantime, you can always check yourself again. So compare, have a look. What did we do? What's the difference between this one, that one? And here we're going to clean the cache, right? 30, clean the cache, everything's gone. And here we say, never mind, we just downloaded it 50 minutes ago. It's still okay, reuse it. Otherwise, the bandwidth, right? It's just not there at the end of the month. All used up. Okay. What we can do in the meantime as well. Now we should keep things separate. Let's just pause and wait. Maybe another message. So we have 3 objectives, but if you have more ideas, more what ifs, just put them beneath these videos that I'm posting now and voila, I'll think about it. Good, 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 good. I see Carli with 2021, 12, 27, and the out folder is here, and suddenly we have the one at the top, very top. We've got an ISO, and he's trying to create a checksum, I see, so an MD5 sum. Probably not gonna succeed unless he knows what the name is, so that we need to check. If that's not happening, then we need to change the script there. So we've got ourselves a Carli. Wow, we forgot something to check. Scroll up. that the new calamares config install. Wow, oof. Sorry, 21.12-01. We've got the new guy in. Now, before, let's go over to the end. Yeah, probably gonna be a problem there. So, reminder, go check the checksum. But we want to know, of course, is this okay? Is this working? Choose a disk file. That's indeed the guy. 27:12, 2 o'clock, 37 minutes. All right, that's the one. What did we create? All right, let's boot up. We went for the keep it simple and stupid approach. Here's your operating system. Go update, go install more stuff, and have fun. So, last time, one of the, keep saying it, wow, right? Keep it simple and stupid, that's it. Short version of go install the erase disk, next, Americ, and my password is very complex. Oops. I've typed it like 100 times. Now I have to make a mistake. Install, and off it goes, creating everything. So I'll just close the video here and see that everything installs. And or can we together have a look at the script? We could do that together, right? So the MD5 thingy, it wants to do something at the end. Control find, well, at the end, up and then back up. So, there's a variable and we've got rid of the variable. Remember? ISO label, we got rid of the variable. Okay, how can we do that? What we need to do is do this here and then that there. That's the guy. That's the guy. So the ISO label, creating checksums for ISO label, ISO label, ISO label. So I need to have Carli with a date. ISO label is now Carli version. So if I get the date, if I get the date, or this one, which one is it? Year, month. It's this one, right? The ISO, where is the ISO? Carli out, there. So year, month and day, it's this thing. Control C, nothing changed. So Carli, and in here we get this. That's the date, right? Minus x86. We could give this a try. Control save. So ISO label is Carli 2021, a dot, yeah, a dot, and then now could make minuses as well. That's okay. I think it's okay. And then, how do we test this quickly without building the ISO? So first of all, assuming this is correct, this changes. Okay, save. If we do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, call this test, and we keep the ISO label and all the rest. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I'll try. Out folder and ISO label. That's what it needs to know. Do I have out folder? Yeah, I've deleted it. So this one, to be able to run its scripts, it needs to know what out folder it is. So home Carli out. It's gonna go to the home folder. It's gonna change ISO label with the date there. This won't work. Maybe. Might be. And test. Nope, there's still something in there. Or did I do something wrong? Let's first open test. So. Don't need this. Up. That's better. That seems to be working. So Carli out. This one, and that's normal, and that one. Okay, so we've changed the scripts the way they should be, and we can test it now with the next ISO. It's still working. Let's make a create folder, Alt. Voila. So we have another test. So this was the part where we said, okay, let's change the script to the date. The date needs to be in the name of the ISO label. And in the meantime, we've already gone for the KISS approach. It's still hashtag away and all the net modules are back, but that's what we've done until now. All right, see you next video.